Oh, that freaking hurts. Well, just as a thought.
Trash.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Today I went shopping for some nail supplies because I kind of want to start getting into maybe doing my own nails. I know it sounds crazy, like if you don't have any experience. Oh, this is my little sister Jasmine, by the way. She's been in a few other videos. I did not introduce you, but hello, sister. So when I was like 14, me and my sister actually got into nails. It got to the point that my sister Myra was actually like, she had clients, like she was doing people's nails. Dang, at 14, honestly, she kind of got down with nails. Anyways, I kind of wanted to get back into it, doing my own nails. So I went to go buy some stuff. Jasmine came along with me and we thought it would be a fun idea if she did my nails. So Jasmine has gotten her nails done a couple times. Like what, twice? This is like one of those videos that it's just like, why? So this is the nail video nobody asked for. Okay, so I got literally everything you needed. I had forgotten like all the stuff you needed for acrylic nails. So the guy totally knew. I was super confused. So he's like, hey, there's this kit that has like everything you need in it. So I was like, okay, I'll take that. I don't know if I want long nails or short nails. Like it's completely up to you. I'm not giving you any direction. I could tell you like the steps, but I want you to add like your touch. Sis, you need to stop biting your nails. Can somebody please comment down below, what do you do to stop biting your nails? Because this girl, like her nails are just bit up.
It looks like
it's acetone. Oh yeah, it's acetone. This is like some other stuff. Don't look at that. Don't squish it, it's from my hand. Okay, this is gonna take forever. I think we need a paper towel. Okay, let's just use that, it's fine. Oh god.
You're gonna be paying me for this, huh?
You know how many squishies I gave you that one day? Like, this is a lot of squishies. We're almost done. I feel like we're just gonna start throwing squishies everywhere at this point. There's this thing that we have. It's me and my friends, my siblings. I don't know what it is, but when we're talking, and I'm sure people have noticed it. It's in my videos, but a lot of times we crop it out because I annoy myself when I say it. Every time we're talking, we could just be like, and then we just say imagine. Like, it's not even actually being said right. Like, it's just mumbled at the end of words. Yeah. And our friends do it. We do it. It's so annoying. And my little sister does it all the time. And it annoys me when she does it. But then I do it.
But then you do it and then it annoys me.
But I actually try to like catch myself. I really do. Now they're clean. First, okay, I feel like I'm teaching you how to do my nails, bruh. People would cut their nails. My nails are honestly really short. We don't need. We could just skip that process completely, sweetie. I don't want you to like actually cut me. But you can file down my nails. Go off. If you don't file your nails, I'm pretty sure the nails won't last at all. Like I'm sure that's why they do it. What if these come out bomb?
These might come out really good.
You are really slow at this, so I'm just gonna do the other hand.
Whatever.
So nails are filed. Wait, there's some like prepping stuff in here.
I want this one.
Hold on, you don't know what this is.
That's the gel.
Nail prep, actually. Yeah, you're right.
See, I know everything, Karina.
Cuticle oil is for after. What's wrong?
It smells like butt.
What if that's not supposed to touch my skin? It kind of like burns a little bit.
Well, we can't go back, so okay. I know what I want to do. Okay, so I was thinking you put these in the middle of your fingers. Two right here. These
are a little bit different. These are meant to be kind of like all the way on, but since they're acrylic, I think you should glue them
right
at the tips. Normally, this wouldn't be a thing because it's already meant to like go on the tips, but since these are different, she's gonna try to fix them, and I'm terrified.
Karina, this is my job, but not yours. Give me this. Okay.
Don't go straight, go angled. Like, okay, cool, yeah, and then you're gonna start sticking, okay. Did you break it?
No, it's not working.
You broke it. What did you do? Ow, hold on. What are you doing? So the next thing you do is you start gluing them.
Oh my god.
Did you just drop the glue?
No.
Okay. They usually put it on the finger, but okay. That's gonna get all over my fingers, Jasmine.
No, it's not.
You know they actually put like one dot when you get your nails in, right?
They do.
This is like really high, but okay, go off.
Oh my god, it got stuck on my hand.
Wait, hurry, it's gonna dry. That's gonna be long. You're really leaving them that long?
You gotta look like a cat.
Some people would usually smooth the edges. Oh, that freaking hurts. Bruh.
You're scaring me.
I am the type of person that when I get my nails done, even if I don't like something, I feel really bad to say anything. Like if I could leave the salon with my nails looking like garbage. And I'm like, oh, well, I just won't come here again. Like, I don't know what I would do if this was actually going on.
Yes.
Oh, scary.
And
Oh, what this?
I can't even clean the table for you.
Oh.
I love that.
It smells like the nail
when
salon,
you go get your
right?
nails done. Like, I love how a nail salon smells. Stop what you're doing and clean your table. Jasmine is stressing me out. Clean up the table.
I'm the nail lady. Get this nail ready.
You don't want to like first soak it up, like before you know,
Soak
get
it
it nice and soft first.
Okay, perfect.
I feel like you need a napkin. They usually like clean it up a little bit.
They do?
Just
whatever. Oh my god, it's working, it's working.
Yes, you're getting there. Start from the tip. That's how they do. Jasmine, you're adding way too much liquid. It's never gonna dry. Look at what you're doing. It's all over my finger, and that's gonna dry all over my finger. What? You have to clean it off that first.
Oh
no! Stop.
What?
Stop. You're cleaning the brush with this. You don't put acrylic on that.
Oh, okay.
So clean it and then close it up because you're gonna knock that over.
Too legit to quit. Okay.
All right. I think you should go back into some of these nails because, honey, just please go back. Just one more layer.
Karina, I'm done.
Please.
Karina.
Jasmine, you have to, I'm talking, please be careful. You're only allowed
right there
to use that level. Oh my god, please be careful. This is where you can shave too. Are you gonna get that little like bubble right there? Right here?
Oh, bubble. Oh my god.
Jasmine, what the? You literally just made a dent. Jasmine, don't do that. Jasmine, you just ruined my nail. Look what you did.
The one hand is gonna be cupcake. We're just gonna do like the pizza cupcake.
So it's like food?
Yeah. So, ooh. Ooh. That's.
You have glitters.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the glitter on.
Sprinkles?
That's good.
Can I just say that this squishy works amazing for manicures?
Oh my god, I messed up. Where's the crust? Should we add sprinkles for the Coke?
Go off. Yep, totally. Coke.
Okay, next finger. What am I thinking? Oh, all colors. All colors.
I'm not moving.
Okay.
That's totally hard.
That looks like a freaking heart to me. With like some sprinkles, yeah?
Oh, love that.
I like it.
I gotta say, you're improving on this hand.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of love this one.
Oh. Okay, I'm definitely starving here.
Oh.
She definitely ruined your squishy, by the way. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Well, just as a thought.
Trash.
I know.
They're blending into my fingers, you know that, right? Like, that's blending into my skin. The acrylic is blending into my skin.
Let's take some pictures so I can post it on my Instagram. Like, what the heck is going on?
So Myra's here to rate my nails. 1, 2,
Scared.
3. What the heck? Oh my god, Jasmine. Wait, you're done already? She did acrylic. What? Okay, no, you know what, Loki? This was iconic if it was done right. I mean, dang, if we're gonna have to rate the whole package, honey.
This one's a cupcake, that one's a pizza, that's cheese, that's a Coke, that's slime, that's like
Swatches. Oh god, star.
cheese.
Oh, is that why there's like holes? I mean, go off. I give it a 1.
What do you think? You're definitely ready for that quinceañera, man?
I think it's something. I would say A for effort, but I don't think you tried. I think you purposely like messed me up, sis. I don't know why the heck I did this, because now I'm thinking about the fact that they're acrylics and they're not gonna come off that easily. I have to try to force these off now. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Comment down below how she did from 1 through 10. Comment down below if you want to see Jasmine in my videos again and what do you want to see us do together. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go try to take these off now. You're doing it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.